Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new here and you've never seen that girl right there, her face before, that's me. My name is Paige, and please consider subscribing before you leave. Also, if you enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. So today I'm going to be doing a after dark summer cleaning routine. This is just something that I'm doing in the evening time. It's nothing that I do every single night. This is just what I was doing on this particular night. You will see that I started before it got dark completely. That is the good thing about the summertime. We have super long summer nights. Most of the time, my cleaning normally begins in the laundry room. I like to start a load of laundry before I get anything done, and I have been pretty good. I got to give myself a pat on the back because I have been ahead on my laundry, and I'm trying to keep it that way. So it really helps to have a certain day of the week that you do your laundry on, just to have a routine. I know sometimes that life just happens and you can't stick to a routine all the time, but it has definitely made a huge difference for us. So I am also going to go through the laundry room and clean it up. We're not going to talk about how long it has looked like this and how long those baskets and those sheets have been on top of that dryer, but they are not there anymore because I cleaned it up. So we're going to start in there first, get all of that situated, and we'll go on to something else. I normally like to do all of the things that make a lot of noise first. So before the sun even sets and I really get dinner started, I will go ahead and do anything that requires like a whole lot of noise. Speaking of a whole lot of noise, we're going to go in and vacuum. So I like to just go ahead and get this over with so that I'm not waking my husband up in the middle of the night by the vacuum. I did, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I did just get a Dyson cordless. Can we pause though and just look at how psychotic Rosie looks chasing after this vacuum cleaner? She loves it. Lady is terrified, so she hides in the bathroom, but Rosie literally chases it all over the floor, which I feel like is just defeating the purpose because she is ruining my vacuum lines. Who else loves a good fresh vacuum line? I know I do. But I like to go ahead and do this first. So before the sun really sets, my husband was outside doing some stuff outside. I decided to just go ahead and vacuum the floors so that they will be good and clean. Obviously, Rosie is so ready for me to get done vacuuming my studio so she can go in there and play with her toys.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop to think any of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
Every single night, I try not to go to bed without cleaning some of the main areas in our house. My office and the kitchen are two very important places because I spend probably the most amount of time in there besides our bedroom where we sleep, because it's really hard trying to work and get creative in a space that is just so cluttered and just has so much stuff just laying everywhere. So on this particular night, I had already started organizing and cleaning some different areas in my office, so I was just putting some of the final things away and just making the space a whole lot less cluttered to work in. I am working on doing an updated office tour because I have changed some stuff. So if you guys want to see that, definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below letting me know that you want to see that. After dinner is over and my husband has already gone to bed, I don't like to do any of this while he's still up. We like to spend as much time together as we possibly can. So normally I will just pause whatever it is I'm doing. If I'm working, I'm cleaning, or anything like that, I will just pause. We will have dinner, we'll watch a movie or TV or whatever we want to do, we'll do that. I will send him off to bed and then I will finish what I'm doing. So I do play a little bit of music. I've been listening to like some, I guess like old school jazz kind of stuff. I do have a Spotify playlist for it, so just check down below in the description box and I'll try my best to remember to put it down there. If I don't, please remind me in the comments that I didn't put it there. But I've been listening to that in the evening time because in the evening I like just sort of more chill music, and I feel like the jazz is just perfect for that. So if you also want to get that same vibe going on, make sure to check out that playlist down below. So first, I just like to go in and clean off that kitchen table. This table just collects stuff all over the day, and this is one of my favorite cleaners right here. This is the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. Also, Grove Collaborative is offering a deal right now, so if you've never shopped with them before, you can definitely jump on this. I would highly recommend it. They have their cleaning caddy, which you've seen me use in a ton of videos. You're also going to get the dish soap, the hand soap, and the hand lotion. You can get those in any of the scents that you would prefer. You can mix and match them, which is what I ended up doing, or you can get the same scents in the whole entire set if you want it to be more uniform looking, which I've always loved seeing the hand soap and the dish soap on a pedestal in the kitchen. That's one of my favorite things. They're so nice. The packaging is just really great for Mrs. Meyer. So if you've never shopped with them before, look down below to get that deal. If you are an existing customer with Grove, there is a deal down there for you as well. So just use that link down below in my description box and you will get that. So you'll get all of that stuff for $20. That's right. So you'll get $30 worth of free product, and all you're going to have to do is spend $20 on Grove Collaborative's website. So if that sounds good to you, it sounds great to me. I would definitely check out the description box to head on over and get that deal. First thing that I do when I walk into the kitchen, most nights, if I don't already have one lit, I will light a candle. I want to say this one was Caribbean Escape from Bath & Body Works. As soon as I do that, it's almost like it just sets the mood and gets the ambiance right in the kitchen so that I can clean and be calm while I'm doing it. My favorite time to clean, I think, is in the evening time because it's just more relaxing. So I'm going to go ahead and finish loading up the dishwasher and put all the food away from dinner. Go ahead and get Cody's lunch ready for the next day.
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss. Many years have gone by, many tears have dried out. I know that I will be with you as long as you still want me to. All the things we've been through, everything that's been you, there isn't anything else that I wish I had.
I know I said that I love the packaging on the Mrs. Meyer stuff, but I don't only love the packaging, I love what's inside the bottle. And I think it does an amazing job. And like it says multi-surface, it is definitely good on multiple surfaces. I've used it to clean mirrors, wood. I've also used it to clean granite. I don't normally use it to clean my granite countertops. I normally use my countertop spray, but I was out of that, so I just went ahead and used it on this night. It smells amazing. That one is in the peony scent, which is one from their spring limited edition line. They don't have that right now, but some of my other favorites are lavender, and I want to say it's basil. I also love basil. I can't remember the one that I just ordered. I think that it's bluebell, which I've never smelled that one before, so I'm interested in seeing what that one smells like.
Many years have gone by, many tears have dried.
Now we're we're off to the den. So first and foremost, I got to get rid of the clutter. There's stuff everywhere. It looks a whole lot better than it did because we had some electrical issues a few weeks ago and all of the furniture was pushed into the middle of the room, and it gave me anxiety every time that I would walk by the door or I had to walk through this room. It was so bad. So it doesn't look nearly as bad as it did. So before I start to fold clothes a little bit later, I'm just going to go ahead and get all of this stuff just put somewhere. All of these things in this chair just seem to keep collecting. Every time we go home on the weekend, we tend to drop the stuff in the den, and then sometimes it never gets put away. So that's what I'm handling right now.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine.
The way I'm going to be ending my night routine here is I'm going to go ahead and fold the laundry. I typically like to fold it in our bedroom on the bed, and I will go ahead and put everything away. But because this was so late at night and my husband was already asleep in the bed, I decided just to go ahead and fold everything in the den, which Rosie was pretty happy about it. She loves getting to lay with me on this couch. It's her favorite thing. Lady was already in the bed. She was done for. So we're going to go ahead and turn on Queer Eye on Netflix. I love that show. If you are also watching it, comment down below. Tell me which one of the guys is your favorite off the show. I don't know if I have a favorite. I love them all. I think they're all really good at the jobs, the titles that they've given them on the show. I think they do really well.
Telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll.
So in case you're wondering why I'm using this IKEA cart to put my clothes on, because I wasn't able to fold clothes up in the bedroom like I normally do, I decided just to put them on here so that I can keep everything sectioned out so that the next morning I could just roll the cart in our bedroom and put everything away.
If I lose my voice, set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out the description box so you can head on over to Graph Collaborative and get your $50 worth of product for only $20. I have talked about them numerous times. I love them. I love Graph Collaborative. I love the products that they offer on their website. So if you've been wondering about signing up for them, I would highly recommend it. Getting in on one of these deals is always amazing, and you guys will love that cleaning caddy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one and have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all.